Guys, what's up guys? It's laggy when it's recording, lag, and it's recording. As you can see my FPS, I'm using Ojav launcher, using my mouse and keyboard. Yeah. Oh my goodness. What the fuck's that? Pushing my mouse. Let's go over. Let's leave this island. I guess this is my part 1, okay? As you can see, it's a small island. This resolution is 1.7.10. Let's go twice. Yeah, wow. Oh my god, I have 525 FPS. Okay guys, as you can see, the allocated memory is wait. You know guys, as you can see, memory allocation, pop define, polio, 535 FPS. Oh my god, this the moon. Oh yes. Yes, here you go. Wait guys. So yun na guys. So yun, dito na tayo. Oh my god, my FPS. Oh gosh. Oh no, this film. Snake. Okay. What the fuck? What the heck? Another. Yes. Let's go. Guys, just like and subscribe. Bye bye.